Hi artist. This is our last week of art lessons and I just want to let you know how much fun I have had doing online art lessons with you, and I hope that you also have been having a good time. And I'm going to leave some lessons for you this summer also, so you can be doing some other artwork too. But let's go ahead and talk about the artist we're going to study this week is a pop artist named Roy Lichtenstein. He is a pop artist, which means that he would take regular, ordinary items such as an orange juice box, a salt container. He could take the washing machine, and he would take those objects and paint them in a very easy, simple, clean way with very bold outline of it in black. He loved red, yellow, blue, and black. So those are the only colors that you're really going to see Roy use. We're going to watch a lot of YouTube videos showing his artwork so you can see what I mean by a pop artist. And he really used a lot of comic book characters, cartoon strips, and the bubble boxes. And that's what we're going to work on. We're going to work on today the bubble box. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure that you have your 3 colors. I'm going to tell you markers will be the easiest for these art lessons, but you can use whatever you have. Never ever let the fact that you don't have markers or crayons or something, use a pencil if that's all you have. A Sharpie is going to be another good one. I'm looking for my Sharpie and I have one. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me turn this like this. All right. So when I say pop artist, I'm going to also tell you that he turned a lot of his cartoons into very formal paintings. He used words to express the sound effects. So I'm going to show you what he would do. So you just take your Sharpie, and first all we're going to do is go around and make a triangle bubble like this, just like that. And then in the middle of this, he would do words. It's okay that you overlap this, and then exclamation point always. So he would have something that say like, pow. And then to show you what he would do, he would take those and he would color it. This big, bold word would be colored in yellow, and then you'd have that blue behind it to really make it pop. So I want you to see, this is one type of cartoon template. Then let's do another one where you just make sharp U's all the way around. Just like that. And then in the side of this, we will write out our word. Now I'm going to tell you that it does take practice. So don't worry if you have to do this a couple of times. See, I think I just messed that one up. Let's see. Let me see if I can fix it. I'll show you, like, it says bang. Like if I had this is what it's going to look like. Bang. So if you mess up a little bit like that, see how I just kind of went in and I just reconfigured my G? Or you can start over on another piece of paper. And then the last word that I want us to work on, and I want to show you a couple of things you can do with this one. We're going to come out with that triangle, but then I want you to like not make it so uniform and give it some slight angles. And then we come in and you just pick one of the sides and then come in and like color it in a little bit darker. We want like a shading effect is what we're looking for. So you're coming in to a side and you're shading that in. And it just gives it a really strong look. You don't have to do every one of these. You can just do some of them. And then once again, you're going to pick a word. I'm going to pick the word boom. And I come out with my B. And I make my O's, 2 O's. You are trying to keep the letters inside of this. If they extend past it, that's okay. And then you always want to put that exclamation point at the end. So you have boom. And then when you color that, it'll look like this. So it's going to be important that we get our sound effect words inside of our cartoon templates, because we're going to be working on different lessons all week long that will use this technique. This is to get us used to drawing our templates like this, and then we're going to play around with different ways to do this, different art lessons. All right, so pow, bang, and boom. All right, y'all enjoy, have fun doing this today. Practice on these, and we'll continue some other art lessons with the same technique from Roy Lichtenstein this week. All right, bye.